Before we get started, I want to know, how do you get in the zone? In the comments below, let me know the ways that you get in the zone, the ways that you meditate, and how it is that you take some time to actually think about your vision or meditate on your vision, or whatever it is that you do to get in the zone. Let me know in the comments below what it is. What's happening, fellow tradesmen? Coach K here, and I am a CEO of a small business. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I have learned about meditation and the importance of knowing and being able to see your vision. Success is defined by so many things, but before you can even think about how something is going to be successful, you have to be able to tap into the vision. And in order to tap into the vision, you have to know how to see the vision. So in this video, we're going to actually go through a practice of meditation so that you can tap into your vision right now during this video. So let's go.
Vision must be captured.
Bro, waiting for me to get here. Waiting. The people that you are meant to serve are waiting on you. They will be knocking down your doors. But you got to show up. You got to be present. You got to be home. You got to be ready. Have to be prepared for that time to come. We're at the park again today. Paparazzi vibes. Paparazzi vibes. Paparazzi vibes. Waiting for me to come back too. I want to just say thank you to those who have been waiting for me to come back, waiting for me to show up with my gifts and with my talents to share with you, the viewer, and with the world. Honestly, gonna go for a little walk today and just see what comes up. I was just listening to, who is it, Monroe, and he was talking about the most important aspect to prayer is meditation. And a lot of times the reason why we don't hear from God, while we can't see the vision, is because we're too busy talking. We're too busy speaking. We're too busy being busy. And it's time for us to get back out in nature. Come back to the things that have shown and proven themselves to work, because success leaves clues. So I'm just going to go for a walk, shut my mouth a little bit, and yeah, let's listen. Let's listen. I'm going to make this instructional part of the video really quick. I am in Rocky Mount, North Carolina today at Battle Park, which is a nature play park. And later on in the video, you're going to see a sign that explains exactly what it means for this to be a nature play park. In the meantime, there will be a few pauses throughout the video, and you'll notice a bell when those pauses are about to start and when they're about to end. So I want you to grab a pencil and a notebook, and during those times, you'll just hear nature sounds, and I want you to write down anything that comes to mind pertaining to your vision. Now, in all actuality, I spent about 30 minutes to an hour at this park. So if you need to pause the video to spend some more time, or simply turn off the video and actually go out into nature, this is just a sample of what you can do to really tap into your vision. So let's tap in, and I will be back later on to share my thoughts. afraid to go where others won't go. Don't be afraid to do what others won't do. I'll say that again. Don't be afraid to go where others won't go, and don't be afraid to do what others won't do. Because the question is, do you want to live a stable life, or would you like to live a better life? It all comes with risk, opportunity, preparation, luck. It's a whole little pot. You got to mix it up, cook it up. And when the opportunity comes, you'll be ready to take that leap. But first, you got to listen. You got to give yourself space, room, and opportunity to hear and to see the vision. And you do that in your quiet places. Do that in that time where you're alone, when you can rid yourself of all unnecessary distractions and just enjoy the beauty. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Enjoy the beauty of creation. Because we were put here to create. But if you don't close your eyes to all the distractions, you might miss it. Matter of fact, you've been missing it. You've been missing it. But there's always an opportunity to turn and go in the direction that's for you. Some of you are looking for the path that's already been paved when you're the one who's meant to pave the way for the next generation. So go ahead, walk that unbeaten path. Take the route that doesn't give you a clear direction, because it's in those moments where the vision will come to you and you'll know exactly what to do next. And once you pave the way, others will follow. Others will be attracted right to you and will be able to experience the greatness and the vision that God placed in you from the very beginning. Follow the vision. Open your ears, open your eyes, and they'll get clearer and clearer all the time. It's not going to be easy. You're going to have to put in some work. You have to sweat a little bit. You might have to cry. You might have to release some things that you thought you would never let go of. But in order for you to clear the path and make that decision on which way to go, you got to put in some work. So the question is, where's the vision taking you? There will be distractions along the way, and you'll see other people going after their vision. But all you need to remember is to go at your pace. And once you figured out your pace, keep your eye on the vision, keep your eye on the prize, because that vision is going to need to be revisited, revised, revisited, revised. And not everybody is going to see the vision. Not everybody is going to be able to see the climb and the things that you had to do to get where you're going. You are one of one, and no matter. You are number blah, blah, blah. You are one of one. You are one of one, and no matter how many people are in the industry, nobody, absolutely nobody, can do what you do like you do it. So go out there and do it. Share your gifts, master your talent, offer that service. No matter how far you go, how long you're gone, those who are meant to experience you will be there when you get there. Started the video off with these guys, and now we're wrapping it up. Hopefully I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching this full video, and remember, your vision is something that takes time and requires your attention, because the key to success in reaching any goal that you set for yourself is being able to have a clear vision. And in order to have a clear vision, you got to be able to see where you're going and know how to see where you're going.